1006. I'm from class EPR 3A. In this video, I want to share about how to wash the air conditioner filter.
First, the front cover of the air conditioner is open. Do not pull hard to avoid a broken nut. Second, the filter is removed by pulling it gently from the air conditioner. Third, the filter is clean of dust. Please wear a face mask to avoid inhaling dust. Next, the filter is put back in the place by pushing it. Make sure the filter is installed correctly. Finally, the front cover is closed again.
The conclusion is washing the air conditioner filter is very easy because its cleaning does not require equipment to open the front and also the filter. That's all from me. Thank you.